So this idea of a virtual AI assistant, this concept of being able to integrate both platforms and individual point products, your best of breed platform, if you will, raised a lot of ideas around what use cases do you find most compelling, or how did you even evaluate Reach in terms of providing that operational value to Insurity?
Lots of people right now are going down the path of zero trust, maybe specifically zero trust network access, and Insurity is as well. And so we launched an initiative to roll this out to the business. And while we were doing this, we realized that actually implementing it with a zero trust mindset is very difficult. So we took some shortcuts in that implementation so that we could get it rolled out. It's still more secure than our VPN was when we replaced the VPN, but it's not as secure as I'd like it to be, like from a pure zero trust capability standpoint. So before we met, one of my architects started building this really complicated Power BI sheet with all the networks and all the logs and all the traffic from our ZTNA provider. And he said, Jay, we could do this analysis. That's great. How long is it going to take? And it was kind of like this ... moment, right? Well, we met kind of around the same time this was happening. And I presented this use case opportunity to you, and I asked, well, could Reach do this analysis? Could Reach provide me that answer? And what turned out to be something that would take us months and months was like minutes with Reach. So there's an example of how a virtual AI assistant can really change the analysis of the data that we already had at our disposal. We simply didn't have the time in the day to do that analysis.